Greetings everyone, I'm Joy Koza from Group 35T of Bpt. This is the tool I will be using. I will be using this tool to demonstrate the 7 life processes in natural sciences. Okay, this is my friend Mike. I will be using Mike to demonstrate the 7 life processes. The first one is movement. This refers to the ability of humans to move their bodies or parts of their bodies to carry out activities. As you can see, Mike is able to move his hands and his feet, okay, to do activities that he wants to do. The second one is breathing. This is the process of taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, inhaling and exhaling, as he can use his nose to do that. Okay, the third one is sensing, the ability of humans to detect or feel and respond to changes in their surroundings, like tasting, hearing. Specifically, he can use his mouth, his tongue to taste food. He can use his ears to hear so that he can be able to respond to his surroundings. Okay, the fourth one is growing. This process refers to the development of a human, increasing in size, complexity, etc., from childhood to being an adult. As you can see, Mike is now an adult. Okay, the fifth is reproduction. This is the process by which humans produce offsprings. In this case, Mike can get a girlfriend. I don't know from where, but okay, Mike can meet a girlfriend. So Mike and his girlfriend, because they are now adults, they have hormones. They can be able to produce childrens. Okay. Then the sixth one is excretion. This is the process of eliminating waste products from the body, such as carbon dioxide from the lungs, from his lungs, urea from his kidneys, and undigested food from the digestive tract. Specifically, this refers to him going to the toilet, using his private parts, both his private parts, to go to the toilet specifically. Then the last one is feeding. The process of obtaining food and utilizing it for energy, growth, and repair. Mike can use his mouth to feed, okay, to take in food and be able to eat. So specifically, the 7 life processes are movement, sensing, sensing, growing. As you can see, he's now an adult. Reproduction, using his private parts and his girlfriend private parts. Okay, then excretion, using both his private parts again. The last one is feeding, as he can use his mouth to feed. So here are the key point questions that we're given to answer. The first one says, how will the tool facilitate deep learning? So by engaging students in hands-on experiences and reflection, they are better able to connect theories and knowledge learned in the classroom to real-world situations. The second one says, how will the tool promote student engagement? Firstly, it will provide students with a tangible and practical way to engage with concepts, making them more memorable and easier to grasp than passive learning only, which is clear. Thirdly, it can spark curiosity and enthusiasm, making learning more enjoyable and meaningful for students, as they can enjoy seeing Mike doing some activities for them in the classroom, okay? By actively participating in experiments, Students are more likely to retain and recall the information, leading to a more throughout understanding of scientific principles. The third question: how will the tool make content accessible? Firstly, it makes abstracting concepts. The tool will make abstracting concepts more tangible and easier to grasp. This will benefit visual and kinesthetic learners who learn best through seeing and doing. Secondly, it can scaffold the learning process, breaking down complex tasks into small steps and providing guidance for each step. This allows learners to progress at their own pace and receive personalized support as I was doing step by step. The fourth one says, how will the tool make learning fun and enjoyable? Firstly, it will allow students to visualize and interact with abstract concepts, making them more accessible and easier to understand. Secondly, the tool can be used to incorporate game-like elements such as challenges, rewards, and points to further enhance engagement and motivation. Thirdly, using the tool as an experiment will allow mistakes, which can be viewed as opportunities for learning or growth rather than failures. The fifth question says, how will the tool promote critical thinking? Firstly, experimental activities provide a practical context for applying theoretical knowledge, making learning more relevant and engaging. Experiencing experimental activities such as using my friend Mike here, my tool, as an experiment. Secondly, using the tool will encourage students to ask questions, explore ideas, and seek answers through experimentation, promoting an inquiry-based learning approach. Thirdly, using the tool helps students develop the ability draw draw logical interreferences based on evidence, understanding the relationship between variables, and making informed judgment. So, in conclusion, I used the following sources. I used Google. I was able to conduct a research to answer the key points question that we were asked. I thank you.